Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau, Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes coming to y'all live from Ginza, Tokyo. I'm over here. I came over here to go to the Pink Design store. So y'all see I got the Pink Design bag. I done beat that up. So since I was in Tokyo, I came over here to the Pink Design to see what they have. All right, guys, this is the Pink Design store in Tokyo. All right, guys, so I was in Ginza. If you see my new travel bags, I did a lot of Pink Design, backpack, all the little totes, right. A couple more little pieces. And they only have a few stores all over the world. So they had one in Japan, so I was, I'm in Ginza, you know, the rich part of town. Let me pop out, man. Let me come over here and check this Pink Design stuff out. Let me see what they got. Like, I like all the gadgets, man. I like all these little phone cases, bike things and stuff. But, you know, so I seen they had a little something, so I'm gonna get me a little something to say I was in Tokyo, you know. All right, guys, so I went and got this. What is this? I don't even know what the fuck this is. All right, so yeah, I know I'm a fool for a deal. They had this camera cube on sale, so I had to grab this camera cube. And I got something else, I don't know. What else I get? Oh. And y'all know I love these totes. I had to buy another tote just because it had the Tokyo sign on it. Y'all see my last Pink Design video, you see me raving about these totes. So, you know, I just had to come to, while I was in Tokyo, I just had to come check it out. And I checked out the roller. I may have a little video of the roller. I put that roller up for you guys. So if y'all in Tokyo and y'all in Ginza, make sure y'all come to the Pink Design store, get you some official gear. And my friend right here help you out. You gotta thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm out. Next time, Pink Design. Have a good one. All right, so guys, leaving the Pink Design store, I was going to the Davidoff Cigar Lounge. So the Davidoff Cigar Lounge, like 2 or 3 blocks down the street from the Pink Design store. So I'm just gonna walk through. If you guys ever been to Ginza, it's like the Beverly Hills of this part of Tokyo. So you'll see a lot of the cars, man. I was tripped out about some of the cars. So you see coming up, you got the Porsche, you're gonna see the Maserati. We're just out here vibing. Walking, taking a stroll, man, just getting the motivation, man. We walking by Herman, Stowe, Cayenne. Come on, man. Just out here. So y'all be tapping that ass. Y'all make it get right. You ain't never noticed that? All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes. Walking the streets of Ginza, doing a little shopping, doing a little bopping. Staying in Shinjuku again. But I had to come to the Beverly Hills of Tokyo today. Check out the Pink Design store. Got me a couple of items from Pink Design. Now I'm finna go find some debauchery to get into. Maybe find me some chocolate with some dreadlocks that like to make that bed rock. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? From Cannes, Kundan. Man, all right, guys. Just out here sightseeing in Ginza. Shout out to Coach. People over there tearing that Coach store down, taking in the sights. Man, Japan's so clean. Out here in Ginza, man, it's too much money, man. It's too much money, dog. Y'all have been in Ginza, man, let me know down in the comments what's your favorite part of Ginza. I really like, you know, redoing these videos and see where I've been traveling at, the vibe, what I was feeling at the time, you know. Cause I'm finna go to the Davidoff cigar spot and spend about $200 just on whiskey and cigars, and I'm feeling Gucci. Look at you, little tab, little Uzi. Yes, and it's the funniest thing. People do not jaywalk in Japan. They wait. That like turn green. Oh, he did a little bit. He tried it. Old man said the hell with it. Look at everybody. Yeah. Rolling through Japan. Ain't too many of us out there. No sir. Preppy Pete, I see you, big dog. Yeah, big dog. You know what I'm doing? Pound Town. Some thick. Yeah, with dreadlocks, making that bed rock. Playing the head don't stop. Oh, look at this. Look at this phantom. That's hard. Got a different kind of money over here in Ginza, baby. You see that boy got that Rose with that 24-inch rims on there. Oh, I might finna go to the Brightland store, man. I might finna go to the Brightland store and get me some. Yeah, Auntie thick. Oh yeah. Oh, what this is right here? Is that the McLaren? So we stopped in this high-end vintage, basically like a pawn shop for like bags. I was looking for like a go-yard bag. It was on TikTok. It said, "Oh, you're in Japan, check out this." They buy and sell high-end bags. Yes, we went in there and see what the cost is. They ain't had nothing I wanted from the go-yard, so I was looking for the go-yard cigar case. I think that shit brand new, like $1,700. Right here, I got a stack. I'm about to walk past the dealership. Lambo, R8, Huracan, Bentley. Man, I ate at some good spots over here in Ginza too. So I headed back to Chuo. Just took an Uber all over Tokyo this particular day. Wherever I'm at, I'm hitting a cigar spot. Audemars store. I want to see this Audi dealership, bro. Man, I might go get some Japanese food today after I finish editing this video. Part of town. Okay, coming up on that outage though. See you fellas. Okay, so okay. We got clean this shit. Come on, Ron, let's get it. Check out this stuff. 911 GTR. Oh, good. G5 back there, G-Wagon back there. Come on, man. Huracan. There you go, big Lambo. Alright, so we almost at the Davidoff. Look at that. Maybach limousine V12. Oh, man. It's cold. My favorite one was that the Rose. My favorite one was the Rose. Now you finna pull up right here on the color now. Come on now. My boy got that Colon on out here. Then a 760 Beamer. Davidoff. I made it to the Davidoff cigar spot. Got the bright green R8 outside. Oh, come on. Bentley Bottega. Come on now. The orange trim. But I love a bib. And that C63. I prefer the hard top though, but you can't go wrong with that. Come on now. Yeah, that's the S63, my bad. I love the color on this S63, right? The S63, my favorite. Shit, I'm on a budget. I might go get that 22, that 2020 S63. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all for messing with me, man. I'm finna pull up in this Davidoff cigar spot like a gentleman. You know, finna drink some Macallan. Actually, this is my first time having a Macallan Quest right here at the Davidoff spot. Yeah, so you can only get the Davidoff Quest. I mean, you can only get the Macallan Quest out the country. So, yeah. That's it, man. It's your boy, Beau Rakes, man. Fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster, man. See y'all in the future, baby. Yes, sir. I got to the Davidoff cigar spot.